Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Cricut Gifts is probably one of the most exciting things to shop for, especially if you're looking for something creative and personalized. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, finding the perfect gift for a Cricut enthusiast can be a delightful experience. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic gift ideas that are sure to bring joy to any Cricut lover. Number 5. Cricut EasyPress Mini Heat Press. Introducing the Cricut EasyPress Mini. It's small but delivers impressive heat transfer results. This compact heat press is perfect for those uniquely shaped or extra small projects. With 3 heat settings, this allows you to work with iron-on, infusible ink, and sublimation projects. The comfortable design and precision tip give you excellent control and accuracy. The Cricut EasyPress Mini is easy to store almost anywhere. It comes with an insulated safety base and an auto-off feature for added safety. This heat press works with major brands of HTV or iron-on materials. It's a perfect companion for Cricut's smart cutting machines and ideal for sewing and quilting projects. Cricut products meet safety standards like UL, CSA, FCC, and IEC. They are also certified by nationally recognized testing labs such as TUV and Intertek. What we like? This mini heat press is small but mighty, perfect for those uniquely shaped projects. It offers supreme control and accuracy with its precision tip. With 3 heat settings, it's incredibly versatile. If you are looking for a tool that can handle small objects and hard-to-reach spaces, then you should consider it. What people say. The variety of tools is great for any Cricut user. The scraper tool is perfect for removing vinyl from the cutting mat. The weeding tool is very helpful for removing the small pieces of vinyl. Number 4. Cricut EasyPress 2 9x9 Heat Press Machine. Get professional heat transfer results with this machine. It combines the speed of a heat press with the convenience of an iron. It's perfect for various projects. You can control the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, and set the timer. This allows you to handle almost any heat transfer project with ease. The advanced heat plate design with a ceramic-coated surface heats up quickly. It takes less than 2 minutes to reach the desired temperature, making it fast and efficient. This press is lightweight and easy to store. It also includes an insulated safety base and an auto-off feature, ensuring a safe and worry-free experience. Cricut products meet safety standards like UL, CSA, FCC, and IEC. They are also certified by nationally recognized testing labs such as TUV and Intertek. What we like? This heat press gives you pro-level results with the convenience of an iron. It allows you to control the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also lightweight and easy to store. If you like to work on t-shirts, tote bags, or pillows, this is the one for you. What people say. It heats up quickly and does the job that's needed. Size is perfect for small to mid-sized projects. Heats up fast and has consistent heat. Beeps when done. Number 3. Cricut Foil Transfer Kit for Cricut Maker and Explore. Want to add a touch of elegance to your crafts? This kit is perfect for customizing cards and invitations. It includes everything you need to make your projects shine. This foil transfer kit uses a unique, pressure-activated system. It provides polished, long-lasting results without any heat. It's a great addition to your crafting supplies. Inside the kit, you'll find foil transfer sheets in gold and silver. It also includes interchangeable tips and tape. Everything is there to get you started. This tool kit works with Cricut Maker and Explore machines. Just follow the design space instructions. You'll be amazed by the glimmer and gleam. Cricut accessories make crafting fun, simple, and quick. With this kit, you can fuel your creative fire. Get ready to create beautiful projects at home. What we like? This kit lets you add elegant shine to your projects. It uses a pressure-activated system, so no heat is required. It is compatible with Cricut Maker and Explore machines. If you are looking to embellish cards or invitations with a unique touch, this is a great choice. What people say. The foil adhered well and for the machine with ease. Works great. Number 2. iVyne Vinyl Weeding Tool Kit. This kit includes all the tools you need for any vinyl weeding project. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. It comes with 4 tools, each with different tips for various tasks. The kit includes a durable steel case with soft storage foam. This keeps the tools organized and easily accessible. It also protects them from damage and keeps them sharp. These tools are made from high-carbon stainless steel with an ergonomic, anti-slip grip. This ensures wear resistance, durability, and prevents rust. They are perfect for lettering, HTV vinyl, and wall decals. These tools are useful for many different tasks around the house. They can be used for removing splinters, bee stings, scrapbooking, and various crafting projects. The possibilities are endless with this versatile kit. We are so confident in this product that it comes with a lifetime warranty. If you don't love it, we'll buy it back, no questions asked. Get yours today. What we like. This kit includes all the tools needed for any vinyl weeding project. The ergonomic grip ensures wear resistance and durability. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty. If you are a beginner or a professional, this kit will be your best friend. What people say. A very convenient way to keep all the tools together. This set is great for weeding vinyl. Some love other techniques, but I love having the tweezers to pinch the vinyl pieces out of place. They are also great for getting the vinyl backing to start peeling. The points are sharp and weeding goes much more smoothly with this kit. Number 1. YOREPEK Cricut Die Cut Machine Carrying Case. This carrying case is made of water-resistant polyester fiber. Inside, a soft pad and rubber pads at the bottom protect your machine from impacts. Velcro straps and a dust cover further ensure its safety. The bag features multiple compartments. The first layer has mesh pockets for tools and accessories. The main compartment includes a protective pad, offering ample space for all your crafting essentials. A cutting mat pocket holds 12 by 12 mats, keeping them smooth. The front pocket has elastic loops and pockets for weeding kits and blades. Waterproof pockets prevent ink leakage. The bag measures 23 by 9 by 9 inches and is compatible with various Cricut and Silhouette models. It's designed to fit your machine perfectly. Carry it with a handle, shoulder strap, or attach it to your luggage. Take it to classes, parties, or on holiday. It's a great gift for anyone who loves scrapbooking. What we like. This carrying case is made of high-quality, water-resistant material. It has multiple compartments for all your tools and accessories. You can carry it in 3 different ways. If you are a Cricut enthusiast who likes to craft on the go, then this is perfect for you. What people say. The variety of tools is great for any Cricut user. The scraper tool is perfect for removing bubbles. The weeding tool is great for getting into the small areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.